Congratulations is in the air. You all remember this video that I made about how you can buy your properties, buy your first house in Brazil through the Minha Casa Minha Vida. I also spoke with one of the agents that was working with a particular company that I met. You can see on the screen, this was the architectural design of one of the houses that he told me about then that we discussed, and he said this house was going to be delivered in the month of June 2026. This video was made in 2025. You will recall, you can check it in some of my previous videos. So I have the privilege of checking the house as it has been delivered. There is someone also that has key into this opportunity. He got the units from this building, from this project, and went there together to do what they call delivering of key or something, when you are given your key so you can start living in the house. Although you are not done paying the money, but you can start living there and you're going to be paying monthly. As you can see here, this is still the architectural design. I went here just to confirm, because when we wanted to do this, when we wanted to buy this property, someone reached out to me. So instead of me to just going there, instead of me to just committing to it like, oh yes, it's true, I have to go there first to confirm. So that was what brought me to this particular company, and I spoke with this guy. Now that thing you saw is what has been translated into a tangible building right now. That thing you saw on paper, this is the same structure. Oh, I don't know, I recorded the front part. I didn't know how it did capture, but this is just the building, right? Just as it is in that architectural design. So this building, everything, we are in the particular units we are being shown. So I'm going to be taking you and show you. So let's go. All right, there are 15 different elevator that leads that is in this edifice, in this building. So we took one of them, and this guy, the Brazilian guy that I spoke with, he came together with one of his colleagues, and the person that is buying the house, and myself and his wife, so for us to look at the building. So this is his own unit. As you can see, this is the living room. There's no tiles, there's nothing. Usually they don't put tiles, because according to him, he say from experience, when they deliver it to people, they say, oh, I don't like this tile, I want to change it, because that is where people receive guests, so they want their sitting room to look so beautiful. So because of that, they don't put tiles in the kitchen and in the living room, but in the main room there's going to be tiles. In the balcony also there's going to be tiles. So this section is the kitchen and the living room, the American style, right? So this one is a 3-bedroom apartment. 3-bedroom apartment. All the rooms are they put tiles in all the rooms. It has a balcony. Right there at the balcony is where you're going to put your you're going to do your laundry. It has 2 baths. This is the first one. This bath is also what 2 of the rooms are going to be using, while the third room has its own, is an ensuite, right? The third room is an ensuite. So alright, so he's trying to say that in case you want the room that it's actually convertible, you can convert it back to 2 rooms, and you're going to have more space. But if you still want it to be in 3-bedroom, then you can just leave this wall. This wall he knocked at is not actually a brick. I think it was made with PVC or something. It was made with the white cement. I forgot the name right now. So you can remove this wall so that this room now will be bigger. All the rooms has the tiles, the PVC wooden tiles, So all the rooms has these wooden tiles. The corridor doesn't, and the living room doesn't. And the rooms also has the blind. They've already fixed the blind on the window. There is a blind right there. and this is the room that is en suite, or what we usually call the master bedroom. So this is the now right there's also going to be placement of a glass, a transparent glass that is going to separate the bath from the toilet part. Separating the bath from the WC. So this is the building itself. I was showing the building from the window of this room, and this particular person, he actually likes this unit. He got right from the time he made payment. They've already allocated the room number, everything, but seeing it physically and seeing where it falls into, it actually gladdens his house as well. So this is the blind I was talking about. You can put this blind if you want. You can still go ahead and buy a curtain, but most people nowadays in São Paulo don't use curtain. They just prefer to use this blind. If they don't want too much of light rays in the room, they pull down the blinds. Okay, so those are the guys right there that I spoke with, and I can tell you that this house is still available. If you are interested, let me know. This one, they still have some that are coming, and they are still delivering to some people as well. So I also spoke with him concerning another one. So let's listen to that one. How to buy your apartment. Now est-ce que c'est vivre aqui porque aqui é Canada. Esse aqui não é aqui. Okay. Yeah. So guys, if you are thinking of buying your property in Brazil, especially in São Paulo, in cities that are very close to subways where you can navigate, the city easily, I've got with me here Igor, and Igor is my friend, because I've met with him and we have done business together, and there are some fantastic projects that they are currently handling, and he's going to be talking to us about this project. So if you are interested, it's actually a good thing that you should think of investing in. So Igor, please, can you quickly talk to us about this project you currently have?
Sure, would be a pleasure. These projects, we have like 1 and 2 dorms options. They are normally close to subway stations, and as Mike told, you can navigate through the city very easily, subway or train. The locomotion now is a must because you can save your time. That is the most precious thing you have.
All right. So guys, the rooms or the apartment are a little bit cheaper right now, because when it is close to delivery, it's going to be, the price is going to go higher. Can you tell us when this one is going to be delivered?
This one here is going to be delivered in 2029. But we have projects that are already, but the prices already got higher because when you talk about housing or apartments, the prices always raise.
Okay, it always goes up, right? Okay, so tomorrow I'm also gonna. Okay, so we're also gonna be showing you another one that is like ready. For example, if you want to buy one right now, the one that is ready, they also have some. But this one right here, where we are, is going to be delivered in 2029. So it's a good, for me, I think it's a good one because it's something that you can, you're going to be paying gradually. Can you talk to us a little bit about the payment?
Sure. We have 2 possibilities. You can go straight with the constructor, or you can go through Caixa with Financiamento Minha Casa Minha Vida. Okay. This one is mostly for living normally, but you can buy for living and afterwards you can use for investing. It's up to you. It depends on your needs.
Okay.
I have clients that buy for investing, so they will buy the cheaper ones. This way they can rent or can resell it for a higher price when they are ready. Or they buy for housing, like me. I bought myself mine, and I bought for living. So I paid a small price because it is still in construction. It's going to be delivered in 2028, and now we're currently in 2026.
Yeah.
So the price is already raising. So I bought for 2,137, and now is already evaluated by Caixa in 2,074.
Wow. That's very interesting. So one thing I've known since I came to Brazil is that one of the prices that I know that is not static is the prices of properties. So for example, an apartment you can rent for 1,500 last year, this year is most likely going to be rented for like 2,000. So I'm just trying to let you know that it is something that you can invest in. The last video we made, a lot of people contacted me, so if you're just interested, let me know. I'm going to connect you with Igor and you're going to discuss about it. It doesn't matter if you're someone that is outside Brazil can do this.
Yes, they can.
Yeah.
Probably not by Minha Casa Minha Vida, but we can through the constructor. Okay. We can have by basic documents, like they will ask for the IDs, for the bank statements. That's the basic document protocol. They will ask to check if you have the payment methods to go for the purchase.
Okay, so if you're in Brazil already, you can take advantage of the Minha Casa. But if you are not in Brazil, there are some other payment plan that you're just going to contact the constructor directly, and I think it's a good investment for you. So thank you guys. Ciao ciao.